Hi, it's Catherine Ta. Selling season is coming up, and I wanted to give you my top 5 tips to selling your home quicker and for top dollar. My number 1 tip is declutter. The first thing that you should do is really look at all the contents that you have and organize them. First, those that you're keeping and those that you're donating, and then there's garbage. So if you can sort those into those 3 categories, you can quickly declutter and get your home organized so that you can have a quicker sale. You may have a lot of collections or spaces where you kind of just throw things and hopefully forget about it and don't have to look at it. Maybe perhaps it's a room where you just toss things in and maybe a lot of boxes. You want to make sure that you declutter that space so that you make that space look like what it was actually meant for. And having no clutter will help people see the space a lot better. Tip number 2, cleaning and repairs. This will tell people how well you maintain your home. So make sure that you do a very deep clean, everything down to the baseboards as well as inside your closets and even inside your fridge, because people do look in there just to see how well organized and how well you maintain your home. And repairs. Man, if you leave things and hopefully people don't see it, guess what? People are going to see it, and then they're going to wonder what else are they hiding? What else is wrong with this place? So if there are any noticeable deficiencies, take care of it, and that'll bring on better offers. Tip number 3, staging. This is where my zone of genius is. And this helps people imagine what their family can live like. So you want to draw a perfectly painted picture for them, just like you would walk into a show home and almost never have anything negative to say about it. From furniture placement to home decor, you want to make it you want to give them that wow feeling as soon as they walk in the door. If you have small spaces, a lot of people think, oh, if I just take out everything and make it very sparse, then it'll look bigger. But it actually makes the place look smaller when you don't have anything in it. So filling the space with the appropriate size furniture and accessories actually makes the space more inviting. And so staging is a very, very important part of marketing your home. Number 4 is pricing. Now, we all want our house to sell for $1 million, but we're not the ones determining the market value. It's what has sold that is similar to your house in the nearby neighborhoods or in your neighborhood. Features like the condition of your home, the exposure, the upgrades, do you back onto green space or pond? That's what dictates your market value. It's not what you paid for it. It's not even what upgrades you've added to it. It's what the buyers are willing to pay for it. So make sure that the price is reflective of the current market. Number 5, this is my part of it, but I also need you to do your part of it. So marketing the home gets people in the door, but I need your help in maintaining that staged home, that perfect family home feeling so that we can get those offers. But marketing the home isn't just about putting up that for sale sign on your front lawn. It's also video marketing, great photos, showing up on social media, YouTube. Those video tours nowadays are amazing. It lets people into the home and make sure that they're somewhat interested before they even walk through the home, inconveniencing you. So doing the right type of marketing and the right type of exposure will definitely help get your home sold sooner and for top dollar. For more information just like this, hit that subscribe button and let me know if I can help you this year in selling your home. All my informations are in the details below and on the screen right there. Have a great day.